Hey, welcome back, my humble investors. It's me, E.T. Clark. And remember, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self taught investor who likes to talk about stocks and companies. And in this particular case, we're talking about Humbl. In this video, I will go over my experience in opening up my ETX account. I'm going to talk to you about, show you the problems that I encountered. And once I got everything set up, I'm liking what I'm seeing thus far. We're going to look at the price performance. I purchased block 3 and block 5, and we're going to take a look at the price performance, the 1 and 2 day performance. I opened up this ETX account on the 29th of April. And on the 30th of April, I will show you the 1 day price performance, and then I'll show you the second day price performance on the 1st of May. Bottom line, to give you an idea of my return on investment. So let's get into it and go ahead and let's check it out. So let's do this. All right. I was finally able to get everything set up with Humbl Financial. Humbl Financial, setting it up in with Humbl, their portion of it was easy. The problem that I ran into was on the exchange side. I initially tried BITTREX, and that was very difficult, very difficult. And the biggest part was that face recognition, where you have to put your face into this oval and take the picture, and then they'll go in and they'll evaluate it and see if they can validate it. They kept coming back saying that they couldn't validate it. So it was so frustrating. So I decided to go with Coinbase. Coinbase Pro was so much easier. Oh my goodness, it was just the difference between those two. And so I'm with Coinbase Pro, and I've linked everything up, my bank account, did the initial deposit of $1,000. And then I went back to Humble Finance and I bought my first ETX product, which was Block 3. As you can see up there in the summary, I bought it. It's probably about 10-15 minutes ago, and what is up to 2%, which is okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about $33 into each one, block 3, 5, and 10, if the minimum amount will allow me to do that. So we'll see. So let's do the second one. I want to walk you through the second one. Let's go ahead and we're going to buy. We're going to go with block 5. We're going to use Coinbase Pro, US dollar. Here it shows you the current price of Bitcoin. But since we're using US dollars, I've already spent $333. It tells you here the minimum trade is 274. So I already know that I'm going to spend $333. All right, I'm gonna evenly divide this up between those three, and you scroll down, you hit submit. All right, Coinbase Pro, yes. Block 5, yes. And $333, confirm. And it's just that easy. So once you get everything set up, it's actually an easy process. And I'm going to, this is $1,000. I'm not going to add anything else to it. I'm going to give it about 3 months. And after 3 months, I'll make my assessment. And here we go. Uh, block 5. I don't know what happened. There we go. I was gonna say that wasn't the full amount, but there we go. All right, so let's do the very last third, which is block 10. I'm gonna buy block 10, buy now. CoinBase Pro, US dollar, makes you wanna holla. Amount. Ooh, minimum amount US dollar trade, $1,069. Well, for that, I'm going to have to pass on that one there. And I'll wait. I'll wait until about 6 months. I mean, not 6 months, but 3 months down the line. If it looks like I am definitely making money from this and so forth, I will come back and participate in block 10. So, with that being said, let's see if I want to go back and fund those other two accounts. So, the minimum trade is like 200 some odd bucks. So, I only have enough left, 334 bucks left to trade either block 3 or block 5. And looking at what's the return, I'm going with block 5. So I'm going to buy now. Coinbase, US dollar. Amount in US dollars to invest is going to be 333. The last of which I have. I think I only got like $1 left after this. All right. Make sure I got everything right here. US dollar. Da, 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 da. Submit. Review. Coinbase. Block 5. US dollar. Confirm. I will make this part of my weekly report just to keep you guys abreast as to how this goes, how this is going to turn out. I'll do this for about the next 3 months, and after 3 months, I'll decide whether or not I am going to continue to move forward with this. So, and if I'm not mistaken, based upon last time, it should update shortly. Once it updates, we'll be done with this section. Here we go. Very good. All right, there you go. Like I said, once you get it set up, the hardest part is setting everything up, and the hard part is from the exchanges. BITTREX was hard. Coinbase was much easier, but you had to go in and get the API key numbers and everything else. But once you have all of that, it is it's a smooth process. So we'll see. More to come. Take care. Come on now. That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks. All right, all right, all right. This is day number 2, the 1st of May. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look here. All right. This is my account, block 3, block 5. As you can see over here, it gives us the total gains and losses. Here we're looking at 6.78 for block 3. Block 5 is 6.2. Now, one of the things you're going to find out if you click on block 3, what it's going to show you there is, the breakdown of what's in there. And one of the things that I learned is, you're going to have block 3, block 5, and block 10. The 3 basically means that those are 3 cryptocurrencies that they're working with within that block. Block 5, you got 5 cryptocurrencies, and block 10, you've got 10 cryptocurrencies that they're working with. And if you hit the trade button, what that's going to do is just show you the actual trade when you establish your account. As you can see, I started this on the 29th. All right, so let's go back here. Here it just shows you the performance of the ETX products. Let's go to research. You get down to research here. Talks about Humbl Financial Digital Asset Investing made simple. I wouldn't say made simple. Once you get it set up, it is simple. Let's see here. What else we got here? You know, $4.99. It could be well worth it if we get the type of returns that I think we're going to get. And then there's a section on financial FAQs. Now let's go to buy and sell. Buy and sell, it goes over the blocks. It tells you the performance of the block. One of the things that I learned too, these performance are showing the performance of BITTREX. Not all of the, there's BITTREX, there's, I just see this. Binance US and CoinBase Pro. Not all of these products will have those. Block 3 has these three that we talked about. Block 5 has those. Block 10, I believe, has all three. We scroll down to the thematic products there. If you notice, this one here is only BITTREX. This one here, BITTREX and Coinbase. And all three here. Let's take a look at the other ones here. BITTREX, BITTREX, and BITTREX. All right. So you got to keep that in mind. But once again, these returns are all on BITTREX. Now, one of the things that I discovered for block 5, when you hit the research, yes, there's all three. All right. For example, if I'm not mistaken here, let's go with the BITTREX first. It gives you a 12-month return. But if you go back, but when we go back, there we go. Do the research on, let's say, Binance US. If you notice, the returns are different. This one here is 602. Still extremely good. Let's go back here. There we go. But also in block 5, let's look at the returns. Like I said, this here represents BITTREX. Let's take a look at the research for Coinbase. Coinbase, same 12 months, 34.5%. One of the reasons why that I discovered was that not all of the cryptocurrencies are traded within the various other platforms, BITTREX, Binance, and Coinbase. Coinbase was not trading all 5 of those during the last 12-month period. So you're going to have different performances depending upon which platform that you're using. All right, let's, and then when we go to the portfolio, bottom line, it just goes back to the dashboard that's here. And you can, go over your account information there. Shows you all your trades and so forth. This here gives you an idea, and this was pretty helpful, gives you an idea on how to set things up. As I said earlier, the number one problem that I initially tried BITTREX, and I had problems getting my identity validated. And for whatever reason, I downloaded my passport, I tried to take a picture using their program, and every time I did that, it did not validate my picture that the computer took to the picture that's on my passport. So I decided to go with Coinbase. It was a much easier process to set up. So that's some of the information that I discovered. As I discovered more, I'll update you guys on this as well. A lot of the updates are going to be on my Sunday Humble update. So hopefully you got something out of this. It was definitely a trying experience, but now that I'm all set up, I am looking forward to hopefully getting some outstanding results on the money that was invested. I invested $1,000. I'm going to keep that there. I'm not going to add anything to it, but I want to take a look after 3 months. So we're looking at May, June, July. At the end of July, I'll make an evaluation whether or not I want to deploy any more capital into the ETXs. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. All right, my humble investors, hopefully you got some use out of this. And if so, make sure that you hit those like, subscribe, and notification buttons. That's really going to help out the channel. Now, this here is going to be a 3-month experience, not experience, but an experiment for me when it comes to these ETXs. At the end of 3 months, I'll determine whether I'm going to continue to invest or not. And you can check on the weekly performance on this. All you have to do is check out my Sunday Humbl updates. I'll make sure to put the weekly performance for these ETX, block 3 and block 5. So with that being said, guys, I will see you Sunday, if not sooner. Take care. Bye-bye.